Unlock a world of creative possibilities with your iPhone camera, no extra apps needed. Today, we're diving into how to easily use the built-in filters directly within your iPhone's camera app. These filters let you enhance your photos in real time, adding a professional or artistic touch before you even press the shutter button. First, open your camera app. You'll see the standard shooting modes like photo, video, and portrait. To access the filters, look for a small upward pointing arrow, usually found at the very top of your screen. Tap that arrow, and a new set of options will appear at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several circular icons. Each of these circles represents a different filter effect. Now, simply swipe left or right across these filter icons. As you swipe, pay close attention to the live preview on your screen. You'll see how each filter dramatically changes the look and feel of your photo. You might see filters like vivid for more saturated colors, dramatic for stronger contrast, or perhaps mono for a classic black and white look. Experiment with each one to find the perfect style for your shot. Once you've found a filter you like, you can simply tap the downward pointing arrow at the bottom to hide the filter options and get back to the main camera controls. Now, when you take your photo, it will be captured with that chosen filter already applied, saving you time on editing later. You can even adjust the intensity of some filters after selecting a filter and before taking the shot. Look for a slider that often appears. Slide it left to reduce the filter's strength or right to increase it. And the best part, these filters aren't permanent. If you decide to change your mind later, just open the photo in your Photos app, tap Edit, and you can either switch to a different filter or remove it entirely. So, next time you're capturing a moment, don't forget to explore your iPhone's built-in camera filters. They are a simple yet powerful tool to elevate your mobile photography and add that creative spark to every picture.